Hello students, I welcome you all back. I hope your studies are going well. Today in this video we are going to study a new chapter, that is chapter number 8, verbs, past tense irregular verbs. Now children, I would like to request you all to open your English grammar books and also pay attention during explanation. Before telling you about regular or irregular verbs, let's discuss about verbs. Verbs are words that show what the subject does, says, has or is. So children, a verb is a doing word that shows an action, an event or a state. In other words, a verb is a word that informs about an action, an existence of something or an occurrence. The verb is the main word in a sentence. No sentence can be completed without a verb. Verbs have different forms. All forms of verbs come from base verbs. A base verb is the simplest form of a verb without any special ending, like read. A base verb changes form to show tense. Play is a base verb. It is in present tense, played, past tense. Will play, future tense. Now children, we will discuss about regular and irregular verbs. The verbs that end in ed or d to indicate an action in the past are called regular verbs. Students, verbs that talk about actions that have already taken place and end with d, ed or ied and talk about past actions are called regular verbs in the past tense. Like turn, turned, play, played, walk, walked, work, worked. Let's see one example. They dance well. The sentence is in present tense. They danced well. The sentence is in past tense because we added d in the verb dance. So they dance well. They danced well. Now let's talk about irregular verbs. The verbs that do not end in ed or d to indicate an action in the past are called irregular verbs. So students, verbs that talk about past action but do not end with d, ed or ied are called irregular verbs. Irregular verbs change form when they are used in the past tense. They change their spellings like sleep, slept, eat, ate, sit, sat, stand, stood. Now let's see one example. Mangoes fall from the tree. This sentence is in present tense. Mangoes fell from the tree. This sentence is in past tense. Here, fell is an irregular verb. Now students, it's time for an activity. You have to do this activity in your rough copy. In this activity, you have to fill in the blanks with the past tense of the verb. First, the boys dashed their supper without a complaint. Second, the girls dashed a weird noise outside their house. Third, Fanny dashed the ball over the fence. Fourth, the students dashed their names at the top of the page. Fifth, last summer we dashed at the lake. Sixth, Johnny dashed guitar lesson with a great teacher. Seventh, your dad dashed a new car. Eighth, I dashed you at the park last night. Ninth, Leela dashed the table before supper. 10th, the students dashed for the national anthem. 11th, the children dashed a song together. 12th, last night we dashed to the market. So I hope students you all have understood this chapter nicely. Revise it from your book. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.